What's going on, you guys? Meister TV here, and today is a thunderstorm, and it's getting pretty cray, you know. No, I'm sorry. It's getting pretty crazy. I don't say stuff like that, but I'm hoping I can catch a sound of some thunder that's been happening on camera. So here it comes. Nice. I love it. Just wait for another good one. It's just a nice soft rain, you know? And it feels good outside right now. You know, it's warm, it's got a nice breeze, and just a really soft rain with some nice thunder. Here comes another one. It won't be very loud. Just barely anything. Chicken. There's a chicken right there. He's on my finger. Alright. Run home! Alright, now it's starting to rain harder. Probably won't be able to make a video now because, well, you won't be able to hear me. So, sorry for such a short video. Here's my chickens running in the rain. So, alright, here comes another thunder to end the video. You can't hear it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.